Right. Oh man, I don't know what to say. It's raining so hard. How about this? Good morning, Caminantes. Heading out in the rain. Day 4, 29th of July, going to Patzun. It's about 22 kilometers in the rain. Okay, I'll talk to you in a bit when just pouring rain the whole time. Finally got me. Oh man. As long as I keep moving though, I'll be all right. Roads have been washed out. It's a good torrential downpour. Okay, so I'm about 5.5 miles. I got about 7 miles to go, 7 miles to go in this stretch. And there's no wind in sight. No wind in sight. I'm getting sprayed by water, and people are, my feet are just sopping wet. Everything's wet. Okay, so far about halfway there, and I went on this one trail and it was just so muddy. It was all washed out, and then I got up on the road and it was washed out, all mud all over it, wading through the intersections on these little towns. Here comes the chicken buses, spraying water all over me. Woo! That was nice. What the heck is going on? There wasn't a bit of traffic when I turned on the video. Chopped up. There's a huge old truck. Okay, I gotta wait for this guy. About 8 chicken buses in a row. Crying out loud. Oh man, they're just spraying water everywhere. There's another one. Those babies. Okay, I'm gonna have to turn this off. But I just wanted to say, I had to get up on the main C1, the main highway, a couple of times. It wasn't that bad. I mean, there was a wide enough median there to walk in, but margin. Okay, I gotta go. Okay, it's pouring down rain. I sprained my ankle. I'm kind of limping along here. Still in a big mud puddle. Oh man, torturous. Still have 7 kilometers to go. We're on the way to San Pedro, huh? Okay, I am sopping wet. I got the guy, I gave the guy 5 quetzals, which is like 5 cents tip, and he got me in a room right away. And this thing's like 12 bucks. I can't believe it. I got a little, look at this. Got a shower. It was 125 quetzales, and that's like, $10, $12, $13. I'm sopping wet. Yeah, you gotta notice. I'm gonna start getting chilled here. Walking in the rain, torrential downpour. My ankle, I think I sprained it. Hurting. Okay, so here we go. Signing off. Okay, here's my lunch. I had to scrape it. I mean, there are these tiny little stores in this tiny little village. I scraped together some kind of fortified processed ham, some cheese, a couple cans of tuna, one with vegetables in it. I don't know if I'm gonna like that. Some mustard. Okay, that. And here's some mayo. They got them in these little bags. And I didn't want to try the vegetables because I didn't want to have to wash them and mess with the water because I don't want to get diarrhea. And then I got these from yesterday. And then the bread, freshly baked. Oh, yeah. I also got a Coke because they didn't have any coffee here. So I had to get some caffeine. And that's what's going to be in my pack, sardines and nuts. Okay, and all this, plus 2 bottles of water and some orange juice was like $8.
Johnny singing goldies, goldies, Babalula, baby, what I say. Here come Johnny singing, I got a woman down in the tunnel trying to make it pay. He got the action, he got the motion. Oh yeah, the boy can play. Dedication, devotion, turning all the nighttime into the day. Do the song about the sweet love and woman, and do the song about the night. Really do the walk. Do the walk of life, yeah, you do the walk of life.